Hey everybody, welcome to another cooking video here. This time you see we've got some eggs and an air fryer, and we're going to hard boil the eggs using the air fryer. And the way we're going to do that is I've already got this preheated to 270 degrees, and we're going to just air fry the eggs for 15 minutes at 270. And then we'll put them in an ice bath for 5 minutes and show you what we got here. I haven't tried this yet, but I'm led to believe that it works, so we're gonna, I guess I'll find out together how it goes. So we've got 7 eggs in there. All right, and grab my phone so I can control my air fryer here. And I'm gonna go to 270 for 15 minutes. And then when that's done, I'll put them in the ice bath, and then we'll see what we got. All right, so our 15 minutes is up. We'll pull the basket out here. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the eggs into an ice bath. All right, fill it up with some more water here. Set timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now.
All right, and then when our 5 minutes is up, I'll peel a couple and cut them open, and we'll show you what we got. Stop timer. All right, and there's 5 minutes are up here, so go ahead and pull a couple of eggs out, and we'll crack them and peel them here. And these should peel pretty easily, I think. I was led to believe that anyway. I do usually do this in an egg cooker, and those always peel pretty much perfectly. So go ahead and pull one out. Little crack here. Zoom in a little bit. So yeah, shell's peeling right off. Yeah, that peeled just as easy as my egg cooker does. Peel one more and make sure it's not a fluke. Yeah, that one didn't peel quite as good. Here, I'll try one more real quick. Yeah, that one peeled absolutely perfect. Wipe my hands off here, then we'll cut them open here. We'll show you the insides. All right, and that is about a perfect hard-boiled egg right there. Don't think you can get a whole lot better than that. And so, I guess if you have any questions or anything, put them in the comments. If you're going to be mean, at least be funny. And I guess we got some air-fried hard-boiled eggs. And till next time, we'll talk to everybody later.